Hey guys, it's Orlando and I'm back with another video. And today we're going to be working on a 2013 Jeep Wagoner. So let me turn the camera around, guys, so I can take y'all guys out here where y'all can see. I know it's been a while since we posted, but we've been so busy I hadn't had time to upload the videos that I have. So you guys bear with me. I'm going to take y'all out to the shop to let y'all see what's going on. Okay guys, we're heading out to the shop. This is the Wagoner we're working on today. Give you a full walk around. Today he's gonna be getting the exterior cleaning done on it today. And you know I'm gonna go ahead and throw that free wash in with it. So here's what the vehicle looked like. I've pretty much got everything already taken out. Seats are back there on the ground, ready to go. This is what it looked like when he brought it in. Not too bad, guys, but we're gonna get him taken care of. Y'all already know that, of course. So this is what it's looking like. You guys stay tuned. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, we are finally done with the Jeep Wagoner. So, about to turn the camera around, guys, so I can take y'all out there so y'all can see the finished product. Let's go. Okay, guys, let me take y'all out here so y'all can see the finished product. So, this is the Jeep Wagoner that we just got done with, guys. So, let me walk y'all around. I'm pretty sure you guys already seen what it looked like in the beginning. And this client only wanted a basic cleaning done on this vehicle, but we went on ahead and threw some extra things in there. He didn't get the seat shampoo, but I recommended he do that, but he didn't want to do that right now. So we got him back in the best as we could. And I must say, it is very clean. I most likely may be getting one of these, guys. So yes, this is the finished product. So you guys make sure you book with us as soon as possible. Yes, yes. And this is the finished product, guys. So one more look at that front. Oh yes, she's definitely gorgeous.
That's awesome, Trip.
Yes, sir.
That's good, man.
Well, I got you guys on camera because I had to get your reaction, and you are mighty satisfied right now.
It looks like brand new.
Looks amazing.
Yes, sir.
Brand new.
Inside out. Okay, guys, we are finally done, and this is about to be the end of this video. Anything you want to say, Nathan?
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and we'll see you in the next one.
Until next time, guys, peace.